If you want to share your YouTube playlist with others, you will need to make it public first. And here's how you can do it. So first of all, open YouTube app on your device, and you can also go to youtube.com and sign into the account in which you have that playlist you want to make public, and make sure you are signed into your right account. Now tap on the library option like that, and here you can see your saved playlist. For example, I have that playlist named music. I can click on it and it will open that playlist, right? From there you have to click on share button, and it will ask you to select between public or unlisted. So unlisted means only people with the link you have shared with can see it. So for example, if you send that link to your friend, only he can access it, not anyone else. And if you select public, it means anyone can find and watch your playlist. Or if like that, in that state it's private, and it's mean only it's visible to you and only you can access that. So in my case, I am going to select it unlisted. You can set according to your requirement, and that's it. You have to hit confirm button and it's unlisted. But before that, you have to keep in mind that you must have a YouTube channel for that, otherwise you can't do that. So like that, I will create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel doesn't mean that you have to upload videos or do anything else. You can simply create your account and you can copy that link and share it to your friend or your other devices, however you want. And that's it. Now your playlist is now public or unlisted, however you select it, and ready to be shared with the world. Just copy the playlist link and send it to anyone. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and if you have any question or comment, leave it in the comment sections.